hours. I literally worked out for so long. I did hot yoga and then I did the stair stepper for 30 minutes. So I'm literally dead and I need to refuel, but I decided to do a intermittent fasting video. So it's gonna be vlog style because you guys like it. So I'm at the gym right now and I'm just gonna do some work and eat my lunch. So I don't start eating until 12. So I only eat from 12 to 8, and I'll talk more about intermittent fasting throughout this video. I do still have the same amount of calories I would if I didn't do intermittent fasting. I'm just only eating from 12 to 8, so that's the only difference. So right now it's actually 12:40, so I'm getting a later start. So this morning all I've had is water. I work out on an empty stomach though. I always work out on an empty stomach. That's just like whether I ate breakfast or not, that's what I would do. And a lot of days I eat breakfast, I eat breakfast at noon, but today I am at my gym and it has like a cafe, and I'm also going to be working on my editing a vlog, so that's why I decided to get some lunch, because their lunch here I think is better than their breakfast, and I was just in the mood for something a little more savory, even though I really wanted an acai bowl, but I just like, I can make those at home, so when I'm out I like getting different things. But yeah, I've just been drinking a ton of water because I literally worked out for 2 hours, sweat so much, like burned so many calories, so I need to stay hydrated. And now I'm just waiting on my food, and I got a ham and cheese sandwich with tomato bisque, but everything here at this gym spot is like super healthy, like made with really fresh ingredients, so I'll show you guys that once I get it. I got a tomato bisque, it looks really good, I love tomato bisque, and a ham and cheese sandwich. Next time I go grocery shopping though, I am gonna try to go completely 100% dairy free, but that has not started yet, so yum, it looks really good. It is time to open this box of chocolates from Valentine's Day. Yay, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna treat myself. How beautiful does this look, you guys? Yes, I'm just gonna have 2 chocolates and then I'll probably eat my second like mini meal of the day. For my second meal-ish of the day, I'm gonna make a smoothie. So I'm gonna make a protein smoothie. I've been just really craving fruit lately, which I guess is not a bad thing, but I really just wanna have like a really good fruit smoothie. So like I told you earlier, I was craving an acai bowl, but I was like, no, I can make that myself. So I have a bag of frozen fruit. I just like freeze fruit that I buy. I don't buy frozen fruit. I'm gonna throw that in there, put some PB2 or peanut butter, true nut, whatever, and almond milk or coconut milk, can't talk, coconut milk, and I'll see what else I have that I can put in a smoothie. Oh my gosh, the smoothie is so good. It looks bad, like it's like brown and like not a cute color, but like it is so good. Anything with peanut butter in it, I'm down for. I am reheating this. I made this a few days ago and I just meal prepped it-ish. So I made a lot of ground beef. This is only one portion of it, and then I have a ton left in the fridge with some rice. So this is ground beef. It's a lean ground beef with diced tomatoes, corn, and what else did I put in this? Pretty sure that's like basically it. It's like really simple, but really good. Oh, and I have red peppers, that's what it is. I am just gonna heat this up and have this for dinner. And Allie's cooking too, so she's also making ground beef, but mine I just need to make because it's gonna go bad if I don't heat it up soon. I'll probably also have a little snack because this is not too much food, so I'll either have an extra serving or I will go and have a snack after dinner because it is only 5:45, so I have until 8 to keep eating, so yeah. just to give it a little more flavor. I have a Mexican flavor, so yum. This looks really, really good. Add some salt and pepper. Wow, this is fogging up my camera. The steam. So I'm gonna put some pepper. Yummy. Whenever I'm craving a soda, I just opt for LaCroix, however you say it. I have no idea. Comment down below. LaCroix? Mm-hmm. People say it's LaCroix.
Express told us LaCroix.
Really? I'll look it up, but I don't know how to pronounce this. But it's so good, and it's literally the exact same as drinking normal water. I'm pretty sure. I've looked into like if sparkling water is bad for you, and it's not. It's like literally the same thing, so it makes me happy. I am about to eat this dried mango as my dessert, I guess you could say. It's just a little snack. So it's literally just dried mango. There's nothing else included in it. So I love mango so freaking much. So this is definitely a dessert for me. But I got this from Thrive Market. If you guys want a discount on your next purchase with Thrive, this isn't sponsored, everyone gets this code, but I will link that down below because then you get $30 and I think I get $30. So whatever it is, we'll link it down below. Whenever I'm done with my day, I just like drinking a tea. This is to calm my stomach. So this is the tea that I'm using. It's with ginger, peach, and herbal tea. Tastes really, really good. I don't drink it every night, but I do try to whenever I just want to like relax and unwind after a day. I really, really have been getting into tea a lot more lately. That is probably all I'm going to eat today, and I know that today I didn't eat that much, and I want to explain why. The reason why I didn't eat that much today is because I ate so much yesterday that I feel like I'm honestly still just like recovering from yesterday. I honestly think I ate like 4,000 calories yesterday. I'm not exaggerating, and I know every day is a new day, but I do, like, today was probably the day that I ate the least, I guess I would say. So I don't really want the comments to be bombarded with like, oh my gosh, you aren't eating. I eat enough. I don't really count my calories, so I don't know exactly how much I did, but I did realize that today I ate less than I normally do. So please don't comment anything like that. I'm not a nutritionist, so anything I say should be taken with a grain of salt. And intermittent fasting, I think, is a great, like, I have been loving it, but I know that it's not for everyone, especially if you've had eating disorders or anything like that. I do not recommend it because I just think that that's not something that you should be focused on, I guess, if you have had that. But for me personally, it's been working and I really like it. Talk to your doctor if you think that you want to start or you don't know if you should start, because everyone is different. So I just want to encourage you guys all to be healthy and do what feels right with you. I am not saying that this works for everyone again, but it works for me and I really, really like it. Basically, the point of intermittent fasting is so that your body has like over 12 hours to digest your food, because we're constantly eating, and if you have constant like small meals throughout the day, your body never has a time to like relax. I think that is, your like digestive system is constantly like working, and I think that's what it is. Don't quote me on it, but I will have the link to the article that I read. But it's just good for, it actually helps burn body fat and grow muscles. I also want to close off this what I eat in a day intermittent fasting video and the vlog off here. So really hope that you guys enjoyed, but before I close it off, I did have one question for you guys. So if you guys are vegan or have gone vegan, I would really like to know your thoughts on it, and if you guys like it, how easy it is to transition as a college student, or if you just like did it cold turkey or did you gradually jump into it. I really would love to know, so please give me your thoughts in the comments below, because I really do want to try going vegan for a little bit. I can't promise that I'll be vegan for life, but I would love to try it out. So if you guys have any tips for me, I would really like to hear them, and if I do go vegan, I'll be sure to do a video on it. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please research before you decide to intermittent fast. Definitely, I always encourage a healthy lifestyle. I do not encourage anyone to starve themselves or to not eat or to skip meals or anything like that. So please, please, please don't do that. Like, that is not a good way to lose weight. It's not a healthy way to lose weight. You're gonna feel worse about yourself. It's so important to think of food as fuel, and you need it to survive, you need it to operate, and you honestly want to enjoy it too. So don't be too hard on yourself if you have like a bad meal, and you don't have to have, like, healthy does not necessarily mean not tasty. So just want you guys to learn that, because today basically everything I ate was pretty good for me. Like, it wasn't anything crazy bad. So You can definitely make healthy things that taste really, really, really good. If you guys want me to do a cooking video, be sure to let me know, because I really want to do that next time I'm home, because I have like a nice kitchen. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I say that so many times, but comment down below if you're vegan, if you've been vegan, what your thoughts are, any supplements that I would need if I went vegan that I would not be getting from like meat or dairy. But yeah. All right, so I will talk to you guys later. Really hope you enjoyed, and see you guys on Tuesday. Bye, guys.